If you're considering Poptin for your landing page software needs, here are 12 things you need to know before making a purchase. Stick around till the end for a comparison with other tools and a recommended option that might be better suited to your needs. First, let's talk about Poptin's ease of use. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it a great option for both beginners and more experienced marketers. It's easy to set up and navigate, which is crucial if you want to start creating landing pages quickly. Compared to other tools like Opt-in Monster or Lead Pages, Poptin's interface is less cluttered and more straightforward. Next thing is the variety of templates available. Poptin provides a solid selection of customizable templates, but compared to some competitors, like Unbounce, it may feel a bit limited. While you can still create high-converting pages, the template library isn't as extensive as some other options out there. The third thing is the drag-and-drop editor. It's intuitive, but not as flexible as some of its more advanced competitors. With Poptin, you can make edits and tweaks without needing any coding knowledge. However, platforms like Instapage offer more in-depth customization for power users. Moving on, Poptin also offers pop-ups and forms. You can integrate these directly into your landing pages, which is great for lead generation. The customization options are decent, but if you want more advanced targeting or behavior triggers, you might want to look into something like Opt-in Monster, which offers more detailed behavior-based targeting. The fifth thing is the integration options. Poptin connects well with popular email marketing services, CRMs, and other tools. However, while it does cover the basics, more advanced integrations like with Zapier can feel a bit limited compared to competitors like ConvertFlow, which has a broader range of integrations. Next, Poptin's A/B testing feature allows you to test different variations of your landing page to see what works best. While this feature is useful, it's a bit more basic compared to other software like Unbounce, which offers more detailed insights and options for testing. The seventh thing is pricing. Poptin offers a free plan, which is great for those just starting out, but if you want to unlock the full suite of features, you'll need to pay for one of their premium plans. The pricing is competitive, but may not be as flexible as other platforms like Lead Pages, which offers more variety in its pricing tiers. The eighth thing is the reporting and analytics. Poptin offers basic analytics that help you track conversion rates, views, and engagement. It's a good start, but if you're looking for more advanced tracking or detailed heat maps, you might want to consider something like Instapage or Unbounce, which offer more robust analytics features. Next, Poptin's customer support is generally good. They offer live chat, email support, and an extensive knowledge base. However, some competitors like Lead Pages or Unbounce have more in-depth support options, including phone support and dedicated account managers. The 10th thing is the mobile responsiveness. Poptin's landing pages are mobile-friendly, but compared to tools like Instapage, which offers more granular control over mobile layouts, Poptin can feel a bit less customizable. The 11th thing is the speed. Poptin's landing pages load quickly, which is essential for user experience and SEO. But if you're looking for advanced performance optimizations, other tools like Unbounce might give you a little more in terms of speed customizations. Finally, Poptin allows you to add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is a great feature for those who want to add extra functionality to their landing pages. While it's not as flexible as other competitors like Webflow, it still offers enough customization for most users. So, is Poptin a good option for landing page creation? Absolutely. It's a solid choice if you're looking for ease of use, decent customization, and basic features at a competitive price point. But if you want a tool that offers more advanced features, A/B testing, and integrations, we recommend you check out our top pick, which you can try for free.